Namaste to all of you. I am Dr. Venkatesh from Vishwa Poornima Yoga Centre. So, hidden for many things, many things. Okay. So, this neural circuits now get disturbed means many changes in the child's growth. Okay. Be care about this one. Excess screen time reshape the neural circuits. So, in the brain, these neural circuits are responsible for the child's growth, good score, first rank, failure, disease, or healthy, or enjoyment, or disturbance, whatever it may be. These neural circuits, okay? So, breaking digital addiction is not about punishment. Remember this one. Child, no, or you, or your family member, don't and never give punishment. It is about healing the brain, restoring balance, and re-establishing family love. Now you can see that one families. See, one person is sitting in that corner, so watching the mobile. Another person in room. Another person here. All the family like that. See, in eating also, bus traveling, not bus. Okay, traveling also. All are busy with their mobile. So this one, me, you, and the divine interference come 100% is there, okay, required is there, requirement is there, all together. So let us start discussion. Somewhere we can start discussion. No, one person should come forward and start. That's why I am doing now. Let us start action. How to come out of this one, I will explain. I'll give the some solutions, what I know, what I research is happening. Those things I am explaining to you, okay. Once again, I'm repeating, breaking digital addiction is not about punishment. It is about healing the brain, your child's brain, restoring balance. Restoring balance means what? Everything, chemicals in the body, circulations, and many things, okay, balance in the body and mind. And re-establishing family love. When children learn to live behind screens, they rediscover focus, creativity, joy, and connection, gifts that no gadget can ever replace. It's clear. See, five advanced solutions to break child's digital addiction. Five very advanced. Later, that one common one we can discuss. First, advanced I will give to you. Okay. First one is kill the variable reward loop. It is nothing but this is the actual addiction. This is the actual addiction. Little difficult. Just listen. So, one or two times this one very important. This one, most digital platforms are addictive. Understand this one. The digital platforms, no, it may be a reels or shorts or your mobile phones or your laptops or whatever it may be, electronic devices including the TV, all are they designed, they manufactured, okay. So very high level of technology, they design like that. You have to be again and again, you have to sit in front of them, you have to use again and again. See, understand this mechanism. Most digital platforms are addictive, not because of content itself, but because of their design. Understand this one. This is a trap. Thank you so much. Be happy, healthy, and prosperous forever.